Okay, we are on Math Journal page 48. I know yours doesn't look like this exactly, but this is what I have to use today. So yours says for each story, write the topic, then write a number model with a question mark for the unknown and draw an array to help you solve. Okay, so our topic. Well, let's see. We have 3 boxes of crayons, 5 crayons in each box. How many crayons? So our topic is crayons, okay? And then you have number model. And at the bottom you have an answer. Okay, so what we need to know is 3 boxes of crayons, 5 crayons in each box. How many crayons do you have? You must use your array to write this number model. So let's see. 3 boxes of crayons. So I know where our topic is crayons. So I have 3 boxes, so 3 groups times, well, how many are in each? 5 in each box, so 3 times 5, what does that equal? Well, we don't know yet, so we put a question mark. You should be filling this into your math journal. Okay, so I'm going to do 3 boxes or 3 rows. 1, and we use little X's. 2, 3, and do I need to go on? No, because I only have 3 boxes. Now, how many do I put in each row? 5, but remember, the first one in a row counts as 1. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I double check, make sure I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Then you would fill in the rest of your rows. Oops, and I accidentally went way over there. So whatever I end in this first row, I'm going to have to end in that second row. And I'll do the same for my third. Well, 3 times 5 is like counting 5. We know how to count by 5s. Counting 5s. How many times? 3 times. So 5, 10, 15. What's our answer? 15, and then, oh, I see it needs the units, right? 15, and then crayons. Okay, for the next one, you're going to try all 3 on your own. I will show you the problem, and you will have to fill in the topic, the number model, and your answer. Okay, here's your next one, number 2. There are 6 fish bowls. There's 1 fish per bowl. How many fish? Okay, what's our topic? What are we talking about? Right? Now a number model with a question mark. Fill out your array and then put the answer. Put this on pause till you have it finished. Okay, always go back if you need to in the video. Here's the third one. We have 5 shelves of books. 8 books per shelf. How many books? What's your topic? What are we talking about, right? It says how many books. What would our topic be? If I have 5 shelves, that's like 5 groups, and there's 8 per shelf, like 8 in each row. How would you write your number model? I don't think we know the answer yet, right? How many total? We don't know the total, so put a question mark. And then put your answer with the units. Fill in your array. If we do not see all 4 things, right? Your topic, your number model, your answer in the array, we will send it back and have you do it again. Okay, when you're ready, unpause, go on to the next one. And finally, we have 2 cartons of eggs. 12 eggs per carton. How many eggs? Put this on pause till you have it done. Remember, you need the topic, the number model with a question mark, your answer with a label, and fill in your array. When you have completed this, please go on to the next page, finish math boxes, and send a picture to your teachers.